Hey guys, today's video is going to be my April Boxycharm unboxing. I've been kind of MIA on this channel lately just because I've been just so busy with life. And I have a new little side hustle that I've been doing. I have been selling things, sorry, my hair. I'm selling things on Poshmark. I'm not only selling like my own things, but I'm also going to like thrift stores and doing like the reselling aspect of it, and it's so much fun. I love it so much. I will link my Poshmark closet down below if you guys are interested. Boxycharm is $21 a month. It is the best beauty subscription service. This month's theme is peace, love, and boxy. Okay, here we go. All right, first thing I'm seeing is a brush set from Luxie. This is the Summer Days brush set. This retails for $28. It is a 3-piece brush set that was curated for the perfect festival look that will last all day. It has a small contouring brush, a small shader brush, and a large shader brush. So that's what those look like. All right, next is something from Beauty For Real. This is probably an eyeliner. Finish Line liquid eyeliner retails for $16. It's just a black liquid liner. A lot of you guys always comment about how you like that I do my Boxycharm videos like fast. Like some people ramble on and on. Yeah, I like to do it fast and, you know, just get right to the point. All right, next is from Artist Couture. This is the Diamond Glow Powder. This retails for $27. I feel like I've gotten this before, but I'm not mad about it because, oh, guys. There's that. Yeah, but I'm not mad about it because, oh, it's in Summer Haze. Maybe there's different shades of it, but this is like really good stuff. If I can open the box. Next we have, ooh, a mascara. I need to get back on my mascara Monday episode grind. I haven't made one in a while. This is the Butter London Power Up Mascara, retails for $20. I've tried a Butter London mascara before and I really did not like it. So we'll see. Doesn't really look like there's much product on the wand. And the last thing in the box is a palette. This is from Pure. This is the Festival palette. Ooh, retails for $36. Ooh, look at the colors. Ooh, I'm super cute. Like little sunset festival beautifulness. Ooh, those are pretty. These are like totally festival colors. Like, yes, I can totally see myself doing like a Coachella look for this. Oh my god, I don't know what other festivals there are. All I know is Coachella. Coachella. Can you see? Super pretty colors. My Boxycharm this month. This was a good box. I'm super excited for this palette. These colors are super pretty and will be great for summertime. I'm not a festival goer, but I will still get use out of this. I'm anxious to try this mascara to see if I like it. Don't have high hopes for it, but we'll see. Artist Couture powder I'm excited for. I still have my other one and I use it not often, but I do use it. Excited for the brushes, definitely. And then the eyeliner, you know, another black eyeliner, not really excited, but I can always use it. So that was everything that I got in my April Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will link Boxycharm down below if you guys are interested in signing up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.